If you're an Australian Year 12 student in 2026, here's how you apply for uni through UAC. To get started, head to the UAC website, uac.edu.au. Click the Apply or Login button and select Create Account from the menu. Create an account by entering your personal email address and a password. You'll be emailed a code to verify your email address. Log in and click the Start Domestic Application button. Select your citizenship and the Year 12 option that describes you. Enter your Year 12 student number and 4-digit UAC PIN. It's important you do this because it allows us to match your end-of-year results to your application. It also means you'll be able to apply for the school's recommendation scheme. If you're a New South Wales HSC student or an ACT Senior Secondary Certificate student, we emailed you your 4-digit UAC PIN in April. So enter your NESA or BSSS student number and then the UAC PIN in that email. If you're an IB student or you're studying an Australian Year 12 qualification in another state, enter your student number. Then, for your UAC PIN, use the first 4 digits of your date of birth. For example, if your birthday is 3 October, your UAC PIN will be 0310. Once you've entered your student number and UAC PIN, click Start Application. You'll move to the Personal Details section. Because you've given us your student number, some of your details will have already been added. Make sure they are correct and enter any missing information. For example, enter your government-issued unique student identifier. You need it to enrol and get a help loan. There's a link to apply for USI if you don't already have one. In this section, you can list any disabilities or health conditions you might need support with at uni. And you can also authorise a friend or relative to speak to UAC about your application. Once you've finished your personal details section, you can skip straight to the course preferences section as your Year 12 studies will have already been added. You have the option to add other qualifications, but as a Year 12 student, these usually won't apply to you. Only full-time employment of 1 year or more can be assessed, so don't enter any information about casual or part-time jobs. The Course Preferences section is where you choose the courses you'd like to apply for. If you're not sure about the courses you've chosen, don't worry, you can always change them later. Click Add First Preference to get started. Add course preferences by selecting their start dates and clicking Add Preferences. Start with your dream course, followed by another top choice. Then choose courses that strongly match your academic results and interests. Finish with a backup that you're absolutely sure you'll get into, like a diploma or another pathway option. You can shuffle your preferences around using the arrows on the left or remove them using the bin icon. The order is important because if you miss out on getting an offer to your first choice, you'll be considered for your second choice and so on. When you're done, click Continue. Now you need to review your application. Check your details carefully and click the Edit button next to any part of the summary to go back and make more changes. Once you're happy, read through the terms and conditions and select the terms you agree to. Click the Continue to Payment button. Now it's time to make your payment. You can use a credit card or PayPal account, or you can pay later using BPay. If you choose to pay later, be aware that you can't receive any offers until UAC receives your payment. Once you pay or commit to pay later, your application is complete. It's a good idea to download and save your confirmation of application for your records. If you're eligible, you can now apply for entry schemes or scholarships. You can log back into your application at any time between 5 a.m. and midnight to upload documents, change your course preferences, and track your application. Just remember that most offers to Year 12 students won't be made until late December, after ATARs have been released. If you have any questions about your application, call our customer service team or use our online inquiry form.